Hello you crazy dancers! Welcome to tutorial number 3 in the Kizomba playlist with Armand and Lavinia. Here they come!
Hello Kizomba World! If you are new to our channel, we are Armand and Lavinia, and today we are going to learn basic 2 in Kizomba. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Today we are going to learn basic 2. It is also called side to side. Okay, we are going to step for the boys with our left leg, for the girls right. Okay, so on the first step we are going to the side, step. Now with the right leg just close, and we are going to the other side, side and close. Okay, now with some explanations. First step should be a little bit bigger, okay, not too small here. Try to step natural, okay? So, step, close, step, once again, and step, close, step, close. From here,
when you are going to the side, be careful that you're going to put all the weight on your side foot. For the ladies the right, for the men the left. All the weight is on my foot, okay? After that, when you get your feet together, be careful to have them really together, okay? Then the same thing to the other side. Step, together, step, together. Another thing is to be careful to step at least at shoulder length, not less, because if you step little, your partner is not going to understand.
5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now some tips for the step. For the boys, for the leader, try to be decided when you do the first step, okay? Not too small here, decided, okay? And on second step, now I try to push a little bit in the floor. Push and release, okay? So I can go to the other side.
Now I'm going to give you a tip for the advanced dancers. So, when you are going to the side, knees relaxed, try to also relax your hip to the side. Side, relax it, and when I push the floor, my hips straighten and then they relax again to the side. The same thing to the other side. I step, my hip goes out a bit, I push the floor and then it relaxes again. And fluid, it looks like this. And when we are going to do it in partner work, it's gonna feel amazing. Now, before moving on, if you really enjoy this video, like, share and subscribe. And if you really like it, also comment in the section down below.
Now we are going to do it in partner work. If you didn't see the posture video, try there, okay? And after that, come back here. For the leaders, my body is leading her, okay? I can do it without hands. Step, together, step, together, step, together, step, together, okay? Try to use your body. For extra, I can hug her a little more here.
My leader is putting a little bit of pressure, but guys, ask your partner if it's a little bit or it's already uncomfortable, okay? Be gentle with your arm on her back because sometimes it can hurt.
Okay, so from here I hug her, okay, not squeeze her, and step together, and now I'm changing to the other side. Step together, and that's it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
When you are doing this step, you can also move a little bit. You don't have to stay in line. We are going to demonstrate it now, okay?
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, most common mistakes that you should avoid them is when you step, try to not bend your body, okay, not like this. Side, together, side, together, side, together, side, together, okay? Try to keep your shoulders parallel to the ground. The second thing is try to really close your feet, okay? Not step and here together, step
Not
together,
together.
step
Not
together. Try to close your heels, okay? Step, close, step, close. And that's it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And now to end this video, we would like to really thank everybody that commented, shared this video. It was such a pleasure for us, and thank you very much.
If you want to know us better and if you like what we are doing and our work, try to follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and here on YouTube. Bye bye.
Bye.